Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity.
Look around. The way we create video has changed forever. And no one told you, while everyone has been stuck trying to grow some faceless YouTube channel. Or wasting hours editing boring slideshow clips that get 5 views and 0 traffic. And it doesn't just help you create content or boring videos. It creates cinematic masterpieces in 4K quality in 5 seconds or less. This is Flowy. And it's the exact AI app that we use to grow our channels like this. And to our TikTok accounts like this. And to make money like this. This is a full-blown AI studio powered by Google's latest cinematic tech that shattered Silicon Valley. And got top Hollywood celebrities scared for their careers. You don't need a crew. You don't need gear. You don't even need a single idea. Just type a few words like, a lone figure walks through a neon-lit alley during a thunderstorm, heart racing as sirens wail in the distance. That's it. Hit generate, and boom, Flowy creates it for you. It doesn't just create a boring 8 seconds video that has no use. It creates a scene with real tension, real sound, real direction. A scene that is guaranteed to go viral. No! But those same creators are now switching to Flowy because this isn't just better. It's a total game changer. Other tools out there? They're a mess. They don't hold your characters between clips. They can't continue your story. You ask for cinematic motion and get a jittery mess with awkward transitions. You want dialogue and emotion, but end up with stiff, silent footage that looks like a 2005 PowerPoint slide. This is about building a business, a brand, a channel, or an entire content empire in minutes. Creators are using Flowy to generate hyper-realistic shorts for YouTube and TikTok. Agencies are selling Flowy-generated trailers to brands for $297, $497, even $995. And some are stitching Flowy scenes into entire video libraries they rent out for passive income. But let's be honest, you're not here to become a filmmaker. You're not trying to win an Oscar. You just want something that works. Something that finally lets you make money online without stress. This is not a tool. It's leverage. And right now, it's available for a one-time price with commercial rights included, no API fees, no subscriptions, no monthly limits, and no risk. Because when you join Flowy today, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, if you don't see the magic for yourself, you walk away with every dollar returned, no questions asked. But let me be clear. This is not a later opportunity. Every day, more people are using AI to create faster than you. And those who own the studio will own the attention. Click the button below and activate your Flowy license now. Create your first scene tonight.
Click the first link in the comments and description below to get a lifetime access to your copy and exclusive free mega bonuses worth more than $3,000 for the most discounted price.
It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. It's got a ton of extra bonuses that you're gonna be getting. If you purchase this through my link, all these bonuses are gonna be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus. After you purchase through my link, just go ahead and click that link in description and comment below to get your AI builder and free mega bonuses.
Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Flowy AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the Flowy AI software, the world's first cinematic video creator powered by Google's Flowy AI, a complete game changer for content creators, marketers, and businesses alike. After your successful registration, log into the dashboard with your login details. You'll be directed to this dashboard. On the left side panel, you'll have access to each and every feature in this tool such as text-to-video, text-to-image, image-to-video, video editor, my videos, etc. In the main page you'll have easy access to 3 main features of the tools such as text-to-video, image-to-video, and text-to-image. Below that you'll have space to view the overall account's activities such as videos created, credits left in your account, recent activity, and quick actions in the bottom. Let's jump to text-to-video option. Just enter your prompt, the negative prompts will be automatically added, and then choose the video resolution as 480p or 720p. For now, these two resolutions were supported. We'll update more in the future. And then select the aspect ratio, and then hit the Generate Video button. After a few seconds, it will generate the video based on your prompt. You can simply view and download it to your devices easily. Next, we'll jump to the text-to-image option. In this, you'll be able to create images with the prompt. Just enter the prompt and select the aspect ratio you need and hit the Generate Image button. Within a few seconds, the image will be generated based on your prompt. Next, we'll check the image to video option. In this, we can able to generate a video with an image. To do that, just upload your image and enter the prompt. Choose other general things such as resolution, aspect ratio, and hit the Generate Video button to start the process. Within a few seconds, it will generate the video. And the next feature is the built-in video editor tool. With this, you can edit your video with some cool features like trim, transform, filters, effects, and audio. To do that, just upload your video and play around with the tools in it. After done with the edit, simply click on the Export button to export your edited video in it. And finally, the profile section. In this, you can edit or change your account details like name, password in it. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.
Click the first link in the comments and description below to get a lifetime access to your copy and exclusive free mega bonuses worth more than $3,000 for the most discounted price.
It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. It's got a ton of extra bonuses that you're gonna be getting. If you purchase this through my link, all these bonuses are gonna be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus. After you purchase through my link, just go ahead and click that link in description and comment below to get your AI builder and free mega bonuses. Do you want to make money online every single day? You are in the right place, my friends. Do you want to make money online every single day? You are in the right place, my friends.
Click the first link in the comments and description below to get a lifetime access to your copy and exclusive free mega bonuses worth more than $3,000 for the most discounted price.
Welcome to the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications. See you next time.